In this video, we're taking a look at the new Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. We're going to start at the unboxing, take a look at the design of the earbuds, some of the notable app functions that you need to know about, including the adaptive noise cancellation that's built in, and then it's going onto the jump rope pad as we test the fit. Can it handle a jump rope session and not fall out? And like most earbuds do for me, folks, we're about to find out. So sit back, relax as we look at the Buds 4 Pro from Samsung. First thing out of the box you'll notice is that the transparent case, and this is a brilliant yet simple design because you can see if the earbuds are actually inside when you're carrying the case, and they're very easy to lose, so I love this little feature. Here's a close-up of the earbuds itself. You can see it's got a very traditional earbud design ever since the AirPods came out with that little kind of a stick on there, but it comes down to the fit. So I've connected it to the Galaxy S26 Ultra. I got my music playing, so now we're gonna take it onto the jump rope pad to see it can pass my jump rope fit test. Most earbuds that I use will fall out eventually, especially on the right side of my ear. I don't know why, but I've never found an earbuds that wouldn't eventually fall out. So I'm really interested about this test. This is the first time me wearing it. So what you're seeing right now is the first time that I'm wearing it and jumping rope at the same time. And I'm gonna put it through a variety of different moves to see if it will eventually fall out. And as I'm going right now, I've noticed that usually, look at this, I'm smiling because I'm like, wow, that's a nice tight fit. I don't even know if this is gonna come out. So then I have to kind of like ante it up and try even more moves, some lateral movements, and really push myself to see if my head movements are going to trigger that earbud from falling out. And even double unders, which usually an earbud would fall out, eventually it didn't come out. So the Buds 4 Pro passed that jump rope fit test, hands down. It doesn't look like fitness earbuds, but I'm telling you, the fit is amazing. Now let's look at some of the app features inside of it. Now, connected to the S26 Ultra, the app is pretty much already built inside of it. So the first thing I recommend everyone do is the earbud fit test. And it tells you if it's sitting good, because then you know the adaptive noise cancellation is gonna work. And here you can see you have different types of modes. Now, it's really hard for me telling you in review what it sounds like, but if you toggle through them, you're gonna notice a very different sound, and you really wanna find out the right one. In terms of ambient sound, I always recommend that you keep the siren detect on. For me personally, I like to turn the voice detection off. That's basically if you start talking, it will, listen to the ambient sound, but the sirens, you definitely want to keep it on. You could also customize your earbud controls. So if you got some muscle memory from a previous earbuds, you can configure it to the way you like. Another way is to answer calls with head gestures. It even shows you inside the app how to do that by just kind of nodding. I don't really like this feature because it kind of looks weird when someone calls you and you kind of just like shaking your head. In terms of the sound quality and the effects, I recommend everyone go into adaptive sound and set it to your age, because it will tune the earbuds based upon your age, because our ears change as we get older, and I love the fact that that feature is inside of it. So when you connect it with the S26 Ultra, I'm telling you, it's like cereal and milk. They go together hand in hand. So if you are a Galaxy owner, the Buds 4 Pro is an excellent choice. The sound quality is amazing, but most importantly for me, the fit. Taking calls, everything, that's gonna be good, but it's always about the fit for me, and it passed the test. So I'm gonna give this the Handy Andy stamp of approval. Hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe. You can follow me at Handy Andy Media on all the socials, and I'll see you in the next video.